Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a bit of a Samyang fire noodle feast. So on top of that we have scallion and potato pot stickers, Samyang vegan pot stickers. I think they're fire, right?
Yeah, chicken flavored.
And then wifey was chefing it up and she made some gourmet fire noodle rice cake. Why don't you tell them?
Yeah, we got some shredded cheese. We got some scallions, just some rice cake, everything cooked together. But yeah,
She went off, guys.
The bottom.
She went off.
But we're so hungry. We've been like starving all day, so
Yeah.
this is what we're breaking fast with. If you guys have a Wegmans near you, this is the best flavor of sparkling water.
Coconut lime is where it's at.
Not really, but we make mint mojitos, like virgin mojitos, with that ginger one, and it's so good. Cheers, Dan.
Oh. Oopsie. Yes. Guys, I'm not going to lie. It's been a long, stressful, hard day. It's one of those days where work, you think you're going to end at 4. Next thing you know, it's 5. It's 6. It's 7. It's 7:30. And it just keeps going.
Keeps going.
So let's try out the scallion.
Potatoes. Wait, it was sweet potato
Noodle, scallions, and potato.
Sweet potato scallion noodle hot stickers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Hold the phone.
Mmm.
That's really good.
It does need some sauce though. I just want to see if I could pick some up from here.
That's really, really good.
Oh.
Y'all, I wasn't paying attention when she made this, but if you could smell what I'm smelling, this is not your normal Samyang, alright? This has seasoning, this has spices, this has
Good stuff.
Lots of goodies in it.
We use the stew type and the carbonara. So this is going to be good.
Oh, that's boiling hot.
I was hoping for a really mean cheese pull. I don't know how people do that. I guess they put like blocks of cheese in it. It's so satisfying to watch, but
yeah,
not working out.
That would have been nice for the video, right?
Yeah.
Nice little cheese pull. Sorry, not the video. For you guys. It would have been nice for you guys. But anyway, hopefully you guys got something to eat as well. Come eat with us. Come vibe with us. And just enjoy dinner with us.
Just eat.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
This is the rice cake.
Mmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm. You're going to think it's so spicy.
Mmm.
Mmm.
It hasn't hit me yet.
There it goes. Damn, that was instant.
It's not too bad. Oh, where's my etiquette? I was supposed to be using... We have little bowls. We're supposed to be fancy.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. Let's do it fancily.
We see people do this in mukbangs all the time. We're like, let's copy them.
Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Cheers. That's for you guys.
Mmm. Pot sticker.
Yo, you made these noodles banging.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You mean that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is so good too. It tastes like food. But like
Well, I would hope so.
but like regular food, like I don't know. Not what I would expect it to taste like. It tastes like something else.
Did I say that it's vegan?
Mhm.
Yeah, so not sure what's in here. Probably tofu, but it is the official Samyang brand or Bulldog, so it's gonna be good regardless.
So good, yeah. That's like little shreds of meat. I don't know if you can see, but not meat.
Oh yeah.
What?
Got a little onion ginger vibe going on. Full glass noodle. Very good.
10 out of 10 type things.
Let's go back for this. This is a little plain Jane. Needs a little bit of a sauce. It's still very good though.
I wish we had like really long rice cakes, like the giant ones. That would make my dreams come true. I think I've been looking for them for so long, right? For years, literally, ever since like this came out.
If you guys don't know what she's talking about, right here. She's been looking for them ever since
The
like
Samyang
2020, right?
Was this pre or post COVID?
Samyang? Pre-COVID. Because when we first met, we did the challenge, remember?
Oh yeah. Damn. So that was like almost 8 years ago.
A long time. It would be awesome if I find a video I could just plug it in real quick.
Yeah.
When we were kids.
I think you do have it, right?
Somewhere. I forgot where. But it's on YouTube somewhere, guys. Hopefully I can find it and show you guys. How am I supposed to get this?
This is spicy.
So this is the times one, right? No, this is the carbonara and the stew type. It's not too hot. I'm doing good. Good.
You did do that Reaper challenge, so you're probably like unfazed by it now.
If you guys didn't see the Reaper video, highly suggested. That thing is no joke. I was so turned off by any kind of spice for like weeks.
I couldn't even do it. It's too much.
She left me to die. Let's go for another one of these.
I have sweet potato intolerance. And I keep risking it. Let's see what happens.
A little bellyache. Later.
YOLO. This just hits the spot after work.
Oh yeah. It's one of those things where you look forward to.
There was this one point where it got bad and I would just eat like Samyang like every other day. Like obsessed. Started showing on that scale, you know? Did it?
But she was addicted for like a long time. It was just one of those things where, you know, when you find something new and you just want it every day until you're almost sick of it. Yeah, I think that's how I was when I first ate sushi.
Me too.
I introduced her, by the way, to sushi.
Yeah, I was just like never gonna try it because I was just like, that's disgusting. And then he had like a, what'd you get, like a California roll, like different ones for me to try.
Mm-hmm.
And then what I end up liking, I think like salmon avocado or like salmon mango.
Salmon cucumber and salmon mango, yeah.
Yeah. And then a nigiri. Nigiri.
Hey, cut!
Nigiri.
And then which one?
Nigiri.
Nigiri.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, about to get us canceled real quick.
But before this... Anyway. Before that, I used to eat Maggi noodles. That's all I knew.
I used to eat ramen because of Naruto. That's their like go-to food. So I was addicted when I was a kid. But in my teen and college years, never really an instant noodle kind of guy.
But you would always eat them with me.
Because it was fun to eat. And it's different. The thing about Samyang, in case you guys haven't had it, although yes, it is very spicy, it is very hot, it has such a unique, delicious flavor.
You don't get this nowhere else. There's like another one like on TikTok shop, and they like open like spicy chili noodles. I want to get it, but it's like $5 for the pack, but then it's like $7.99 for shipping. I ain't paying that much.
We could try and find it in the Korean shop. So we recently found a Korean store that has all kinds of imported goods. So lately I've been on a Pokemon craze, mainly because of hype. But I've been trying to get my hands on pretty much anything. It's really impossible to get your hands on anything these days.
And he's got a lot. Somehow.
I buy it for above retail.
Way above.
Speaking of Pokemon, it's right next to us. This is the 151 ETB. Shout out to you if you know.
When he was looking for these, we called how many stores?
Sealed Japanese 151 with 20 packs. Come on. They're like $20 a pack. You're sitting on gold, people. Anyway. And the crazy part was, we did call like maybe over 20 mom and pop shops and GameStops, but it wasn't even 3-4 months ago. These things were sitting on shelves. Nobody wanted them.
Wasn't it that one of the brothers?
Oh, he said he got it started, Jake Paul. But that was back in like 2021. It recently started to pick back up like crazy. Anyway, enough nerd talk.
No, these are so good.
Which ones?
Rice cake.
Rice cakes. Let's try a little rice cake. A little scallion. How much rice cakes did you put? There's a lot.
We were hungry.
This ain't hungry. This is starving.
And we made Dubai chocolate for dessert. I'm so excited.
Insert Dubai chocolate. Rip apart.
Oh yeah, I put strawberries in them. Cause I've seen the cup go viral. Like, they do like the kataifi. What? Strawberry kataifi chocolate. And layer it. So I was like, let me put it in chocolate.
It came out really good, you guys. And on top of that, we have every single chocolate mold you could think of. But she went ahead and bought the extra big bag. Times 6. It's like what, 3-4 pounds? Crazy.
No, not 4 pounds.
It's heavy.
It was just so satisfying. Like when you have a big chocolate bar.
Wait, let me see. Okay, a few more rice cakes. Then I think I'm done. This definitely hit the spot. This was so delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These are my new favorite now.
Let me snag this last one before she jumps on it. You getting full yet? I know you feel it.
A little bit. Now what? Now what?
We just eat. If you guys have any suggestions for the next video, always feel free to drop it in a comment. If you guys are coming here from the shorts, we appreciate you. Thank you for sticking around. Or if you're just new to, or if you're just new to the channel, we appreciate you as well.
My bad, I was messing about.
What are you doing?
I'll put the cheese on your face. My cheese didn't melt. We use string cheese. I don't know.
No more buying cheese from the guy around the corner who sells cheese out of his pocket. Ooh. While she eats, I'm gonna rip open some Pokemon cards.
Oh God.
No, I'm just kidding. Alright guys, I think we're tapping out there. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. We appreciate you as always. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Peace.